Are you searching for the videos that can help you with the quick understanding of all the important concepts of all chapters of class 8 mathematics? If you are, then your wait is over now. Unacademy and Jayant Sir has come up with an amazing series, Brahma's Fast Track course, in which I'll be teaching you all the important concepts of all the chapters like rational numbers, mensuration, understanding quadrilaterals, and comparing quantities. Along with these, all the chapters will be covered, and each and every chapter's crux will be given to you all. I'm going to launch this series from 23rd of December only on the channel Let's Crack CBSE 8th. Are you guys excited for this? Because I really am excited for this amazing series. If you are, then show your love by liking the video, and you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to the channel Let's Crack CBSE 8. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon to get regular updates of all the classes that are going to be there on the India's largest e-learning platform, Unacademy channel Let's Crack CBSE 8th. I'll see you there in the video. Let's crack it.